in front of me. And should I say because there is a crowd I shouldn't go hunting today. But I know I am the prefect of the jungle. I don't have to be afraid.
But I really don't think it's gonna be easy for me today. But still I have to try. You just tried touching my child, and you not afraid of me. I'm gonna get you today. You are so stupid. I must get you today. Are you not afraid? Oh, please leave me alone. I was only looking for my daily bread, you know.
I have walked all day and got nothing to eat.
Oh no, I'm so hungry. But I really do need to eat something, you know.
But I see birds all around, playing all around me. Do I say I'm the Leopard? I will go on the bed. But you know I'm so far behind the people can if I go on the bed today.
These birds must really be joking, thinking they could just play in front of me and both got free today. Oh, you birds! Oh, come here! Oh, that bread was quite tasty, you know. But I'm not sure, you know. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, wow, I think I have got a plan. Hey, guys, don't look. Is that another leopard walking towards the riverside? Oh, no. Really? Is that a leopard? Did he not see us? And he just did not attack us? Oh no! What could he be planning? You know we're going by the riverside. Oh no! What do we do? So these guys must really think I did not see them. I just acted like a gentleman. I really know how to get them. I shall wait for them at an appropriate spot. Hey guys! I sense danger everywhere. We must make haste now. Leave this water. Let's make haste to leave this water. Oh no! What is going on? The crocodiles having a meal for me. Oh no! I must get my share. Oh no! It seems that crocodile just ate one of us now. What do we do now? What do we do? Make haste to leave the water. Make haste to leave so fast, man. Where do you think you're going? Oh what? I said it! Oh, I knew this leopard had a plan while I was wanting some chanting earlier today. Sure die. Will you stop there? Where do you think you're